What I think during this Congress, Italy can show some of its best quality. Italy has a huge, solid engineering knowledge applied to many of the infrastructure that has recently built and to those who are in progress now. The artistic and natural heritage of Italy could be a point of great interest, and Italy can show through that one of its best quality.
I want to highlight the contamination between engineer, technician and tunneling people and geomechanical experts with architects and people who deal with underground planning, like planners, city planners. So Naples is not for chance, because Naples in these past years built an incredible underground works. Underground metro stations, Line 1 and Line 6 are the two main underground lines that have been built in this year.
At the beginning, we received a number of critics about the fact that we made those beautiful stations with art pieces inside. We are spending too much for nothing. But it has been a very symbolic case of how investing in beauty is worth. We made an estimate that the beauty, the cost of the beauty, the extra cost of the beauty is about 4% of the project. So very small amount. And the benefit for each euro spent for beauty, it's 4 euros in terms of more people using public transportation, because we made an estimate with a study with the University of Naples demonstrating that beautiful stations, beautiful environments are inducive to people to use public transportation more than regular traditional metro lines that we also have in the city. And people, tourists coming to Naples, visit it as they visit the other museums in the city.